Hi there, please like and subscribe. Open settings. Scroll down. Accessibility. Interaction and dexterity. Interaction and dexterity. Universal switch. Use external accessories to control your phone and select item on the screen. For people who have difficulty touching the screen, Universal Switch lets you select items and take actions with switches instead of touches. Tap next. Scan is another way to select an item on the screen. Horizontal and the vertical lines move across the screen. Pause the scan to select the item where the lines cross. Tap next. Once an item on the screen is selected, you can see available action. To take an action, use the associated switch. You can set up switches and actions in settings. Tap next. Tap below to learn how to use Universal Switch with different types of accessors or no accessors at all. USB switch. First, connect the accessor to the USB port. In Universal Switch settings, add switches and assign actions. And 3. Interact with the device to perform a tap or touch and hold actions such as typing a button or selecting an icon to move it. Bluetooth switch. Turn on Bluetooth. In Bluetooth settings, search for and connect to the accessory and the Universal Switch settings and switches and assign actions. Interact with the device to perform a tap or touch and hold actions such as typing a button or selecting an icon to move it. Accessories. You can use Universal Switch without an external accessory. Use the camera to control your phone by moving your head, mouth, or eyes. The switches can be used while the camera is in use by another app. Next. Before you add switches, decide whether switches will be useful just on action each or whether switches can function differently depending on whether you press and hold. Action per switch, simple and easy to control. 2 actions per switch. Do more with fewer switches. Tap next. Choose how you want to scan the screen. You can change individual settings later. Item by item with the slow scanning. Scan slowly on item at a time. When you stop the scanning, the selected item will be tapped automatically. Quick group scanning. Scan quickly by grouping items. When you stop the scan, you can select an item within the group. Tap down. Yeah, you can change. Pattern log can be used with your tool. Can change your different log your first tutorial. So setup and presets. In the switch shortcut. Select action you can use to start or stop using your switch. Yeah, let's have accessibility button. I turn on. Press side and wall up button. Press wall up and down button for 3 seconds. Settings. Yeah. Default scan method, item by item group. Start with point scan. Set how to select item group. Scan lets you select a group quickly. Select what you want in the group. Item by item scan lets you select individual item. You can also start with point scan, which lets you specify a point of the screen by selecting horizontal and vertical lines that move across the screen. Scan dash top button, right to left, left to right, button to right to left. Scan 5. Set the number from 1 to 10. Set how many times to scan the screen when there is no interaction. Speed. Set scanning speed. If you're using group or item by item scanning, each item will be highlighted for 3.2 seconds. Out scan screens and the menus. Pause on first item 1 second. Set time for highlighting the first item while out scanning. If you auto scan pause on items, the time you set there will be added to the time. To top keyboard, tap highlight on the keyboard as soon as the result instead of showing all the options you can turn on. Repeated action when the same action should be ignored unless the set time has passed. Focus indicate the thick borders red, orange, yellow, green, and gray. Sound feedback matches the volume. It sets the volume when you're using accessible function. You can adjust accessible volume settings only. 75 match accessibility volume, 75 accessibility volume, 50% accessibility volume, 25 accessibility volume. Feedback. Turn on, turn off. Text to speech. Select which menu options to show a universal switch. Gestures. Please like and subscribe.